Hi, Sarah Smith here from eTherapy, bringing you our teletherapy activity of the week. Today, let's check out the site Pink Oatmeal. This site offers some great resources for OTs and PTs that you can incorporate into your teletherapy sessions. You can pay for a membership to the site to get access to all of the materials, or you can simply access their freebie library. To do this, you just enter your email and agree to be on their email list. Then you can go to the freebie library and check out what's there. For example, here is a beach-themed movement activity. You can use your video conferencing system to share mouse control with your student and allow him or her to click on the pictures on the screen. When you click on various items, it will display a movement that then you can have your student practice. The student or the on-site facilitator can simply adjust the webcam so that you can see the student to give them guidance as they complete the movements. And here's another example of some transportation themed movements. And you can scroll through the Pink Oatmeal site to find resources that work best for your student. You can also visit the Pink Oatmeal YouTube channel to find some great videos of students demonstrating motor movements. You can find these videos easily by searching Pink Oatmeal on YouTube. Then screen share the videos with your students. And be sure to use a safe YouTube link for your therapy sessions. To do this, you can go to safeyoutube.net and input the video link you would like to share with your student. This allows you to send the link safely to a parent or teacher for home practice, and it also allows you to display the YouTube video on the screen during your therapy session without any ads or potential distractions that might pop up on the screen. So be sure to check out pinkoatmeal.com and also view their video channel on YouTube. This activity fun tip is brought to you by eTherapy, a teletherapy company leading the way for therapists.